So, hello everyone, welcome back. Now, let us start problem number 16 on page number 501 of Griffiths Electrodynamics, chapter number 12, Electrodynamics and Relativity. So, in this problem, he is saying that on their 21st birthday, one twin gets on a moving sidewalk. Moving sidewalk means it is just like a conveyor belt which we see in airports and other that carry our luggage, etc. All right, which carries her out to star X. All right, so we have a conveyor belt like this. Let me make it more beautiful. We have a conveyor belt 4 by 5C going in this direction towards star X. All right, and the conveyor belt is carrying a passenger which is one of a twin, and one twin is at our twin brother stays at home. All right, he is at Earth. When the traveling twin gets to the star, she immediately jumps onto the conveyor belt which is coming back to the Earth. So this is X, and this is by coming by 4 by 5C with the same speed towards the earth, which is the frame when for the twin brother. She arrives on her 39th birthday, and she went on her 21st birthday. All right, now he's asking how old is her twin brother now. So simply to calculate the age of the twin brother, we can say that we need gamma and we need tau. All right, the time that the twin brother took from coming going to X and coming back to the Earth. So it is 39 minus 21. It is 18 years total. So gamma is 1 minus 1. Oh, sorry, 1 upon under root 1 minus v square by c square. It is 1 upon 5 by, no, 3 by 5. It is 5 by 3. Gamma is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 into 18 is equal to 30 years. So in the Earth frame, the age is 30 years of a twin brother. More means in time. This is the age that passed when traveling from Earth to X and X to Earth. So it should be added to the 20 age 21 plus 30. It is now her twin brother is 51 years of age. All right. So her twin brother is 51 years old. Now coming back to part number B, which says how far away is star X. Now he is asking what is the distance. So for distance we need speed into time. So speed is 4 by 5c, and time which once uh, is saying how far is star X. So this is the time for both going to X and coming back to Earth. So we need to calculate for single it is 15 years simply. So it is 12c. So the distance is 12c simply. Now coming to part number C. He's saying what are the coordinates now. So one coordinate has been found out that 12c is the distance, and the time it took from Earth to X is 15 years. So simply the coordinates are 12c and 15. Now coming to coordinates in S dash frame. So this is S dash frame. They are coordinates x dash and t dash. Applying Lorentz transformation, x dash is gamma x minus vt. Simply gamma is 5 by 3. What is x? It is 12c minus it is 4 by 5c into 15. So this comes out to be, oh, x bar is 0 in this case. Now calculating t bar is gamma t minus vx by c square. You have to remember these formulas. I asked you before to learn them, and if you are aware of these formulas, please pause the video and try it this part on your own. All right. So 5 by 3 and t is 15 in this case, minus v is 4 by 5c into x is 12c upon c square cancelled. We get 75 minus 48 divided by 5 into 5 by 3. So it is approximately 27 by 3, 9. So 9 is the time that is in the x bar frame. So the coordinates, just a second. The coordinates are, let me change the pen. The coordinates are x bar and t bar are 0, 9 in s dash x bar frame. Now he's asking coordinates in s bar s curly frame. This is part number D, I guess. E, sorry, yeah. This was part number D. Now calculating part number E. S curly frame, we know S for S curly frame, the velocity is negative now because he is going from X to Earth. Alright, so S curly is equal to X minus Vt into gamma, and gamma is 5 by 3 simply. And what is X in this case? It is 12c minus 4 by 5c, but it is now plus, and time is 15, so it is 24c by 3 into 5, it is 40c. So x is 40c years. Now calculating t curly, it is gamma t minus vx by c square. We get gamma is 5 by 3 and t is 15 minus, but it is plus because velocity is negative. X is 12c by c square. Cancelling terms, we get 75 plus 48 divided by 5 into 5 by 3. So it is 123 and it is approximately 41 years. So coordinates of S curly frame are 40c, 41 years. This is okay. Now coming to F part. This part is very important, so listen carefully. Now he is saying in F part, if traveling twin wants her watch agree with the clock in S curly frame. So watch in S curly frame is 41 and traveling twin means now she is traveling from X to Earth. So it takes 9 years to travel from X to Earth. So in total 41 plus 9 is equal to 50 years. If she went back to Earth, she will be 50 years. But in total, she took 18 years in this process. She took 18 years. So 32 years has been covered in this time from going and so she has to reset her watch 32 years ahead, so that the her watch agrees with the clock in S curly frame. What will it happen that 18 years is the time from Earth to X and X to Earth, but now she is 50 years. So in her clock it is 18 years, but she had to shift her time with 32 years. Her clock should be 32 years ahead, so that she can match with this time, this S curly time. So the answer is 32 years ahead. Now coming back to EF G part. So what does G part says? If the traveling twin is asked the question, how old is your brother right now before she makes the jump? So now she's asked that how old is your, let me write, how old is your brother before jump? So before jump, what was the coordinates? It was 9 it was 0 for the x bar and 9 for the time. We calculated. Now simply applying the uh, Lorentz transformation and putting the values. So we need t. How old is your brother? It means that time of the brother on the earth, which is on the earth, so it is t. So for t it is v square, or vx by c square only. Why vx by c square? Because the x term has been reduced to 0, and it is, let me just write the formula so that it becomes more clear. Vx by c square plus t bar by gamma. All right, so here in this question, the x part, sorry, the x part is 0, so the only term that will contribute is t bar by gamma. I by mistake wrote that part, this part. So as x is 0, so this part will contribute, and this part is 9 years upon gamma is 5 by 3, so we get 27 by 5 years, which is approximately 5.5. 4 years. So it means 5.4 years more than when she left. What is she's saying before the jump? Before the jump now, because she is in S bar frame, so we'll be using this. And if we are using this, then it will this will be the formula for time. And if this will be the formula for time, that how much will be added? She went on a 21st birthday, and this much time has been passed, so it is 26.4 years old is now her brother's age, because before the jump. And after the jump, let me calculate that also. After the jump, as after the jump, the time has been gone to 41 years, but the x part is still 0, because she came back to earth only. After the jump, she came back to earth only. So t is equal to t curly in this case by gamma. It is 3 by 5 into 41, and that comes out to be 123 by 5. So approximately 24.6 years. So it is now the brother is now 24.6 years more than when he was 21. So 21 plus 24.6, which is 45.6 years old. In in when after it is the case when after the jump only. Why after the jump, and x is, remember, x is also 0 here. Why x is 0? Because the brother is still stationary on the earth. Now calculating how many, we calculated this part also and this part also. Now calculating how many earth years does the return trip take. So he is saying how many earth years does the so the brother on earth is now 51 years old. We just calculated in the first part. So and he but in the frame of S curly, he is now 45.6 year. It means in the sister's frames, he is only 45.6. So on subtracting, we get 5.4 years only. So this much time is the is the earth time for the return, so that when she gets back, she will say her twin brother is 51. So this is the age. This will in the question he is saying that this much earth years it will take, that from 5.4 years. Now coming to uh, add this to seconds from G to determine how old she expects him to be in their reunion. So this is in their reunion, she expects him to be 51 years of old or age, because we calculated in part A. But in S curly frame, let me write S curly. In S curly frame, he is now this much age. So this is the earth trip that earth will take, so that the age exactly matches with the part number A that she calculated. So that's all for this video. And if you have some doubts in this video, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be explaining it again if you have some doubts. And if not, then please watch this video carefully. It is very important question. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.